afternoon. It is Wednesday, CPI Numbers Day, August 10th, and is the midweek update. So remember taking you back a step. Started the week down here for the S&Ps, futures, not SPX, but futures, 41.50. Weekly pivot, 41.32, 33, something down here. Well, weekly is 33. Today's daily pivot was 32. And the general idea was over underline in the sand, 32, 33, target above 4,200. And specifically 42, like 25 and 42.40. We've done this. Today we were 32, 33 trade, came into the CPI report. It trades up. It trades above 4,200, goes into 12. Now, as it stands right this minute, it's not yet to the close. It's 2:20 in the afternoon Central Time. I've got appointments. I can't watch all the way to the close. So I don't know that we're going to get to the real target that I was looking for today, which is honestly a little bit higher than this 12 right there. I was looking for it to maybe make it to about 20 today, 42.20. But look, here, all right, so in catching us up midweek update, here we are. We were looking from 41.30s down here to above 4,200, bullish. CPI comes in this morning a little bit light. The market likes it. It's bid. It's in the 42s. That's good. I'm still looking higher. We'll see what happens, but still trying to target the earlier plan. This is simply an update. So what I would like to see basically now, to keep things as easy as possible, would be hold this old quarterly settle right here in the, call it about 85 or something right in there. That keeps it pretty simple because in the gray background over here, that's all pre-market. In the darker, this is RTH session, meaning we have a gap from 80 all the way down to yesterday's end of trade down in the 20 area, which makes a 60-point gap. So it holds right here, or it gets into, it's looking for the middle of the gap. So here's the easiest trade path, and that is it comes in, it holds this congestion right here, holds about 85, 41.85, and continues up for those bullish targets that we've been discussing. If it gets below there, I'm pretty darn sure it's going to be looking for 41, 55, 56, last week's point of control. So there it is. I mean, that's it. Right now, we got something good that's going. Now, I never got the butterflies put on the way I wanted to. There's all kinds of different ways to be long. I just prefer this long. We've been trading it long. I never got but hopefully some of y'all did. If you did, that's great. You're obviously on cloud nine. To be long is great. Just to be on the right side is good. In the futures, that's great. SPX flies, I never exactly got them done the way I wanted, but at the end of the day, it's going the right direction, right? We have the right plan, and here's the update on the plan. We need to hold this little area right here in keeping, and that's about 85, in keeping with one time framing higher, because anything below 80 takes out today's low, which ends the one time framing up, and that has it looking for gap mid, which would be HVN, last week's point of control, about 55. We don't want that. Could happen, but we don't want that. We want it to come in and hold right here, this upper part of this little test area right there, which is also a very important number for another reason, but I'll call it 85. Support, target, the targets. We've on the same target since the beginning of the week. That's it. That's a midweek update. Hopefully you're really enjoying this trade because it's certainly following the plan as it stands right this minute. So good stuff. Talk soon. Take care, and good trading.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me